Hello everyone, I'm from Tajikistan, Haema Rahmonov. Now I'm working in National Academy of Science in Tajikistan. And my professional is physicist. I have two types of background. It's nuclear physics and material science. And right now, my research in the green power energy. We make new materials. It's materials named perovskite. It's very efficiency materials. And now, right now, we in Sochi city in this festival. But I think this type of festivals very important right now, because this festival unite us young scientists from different countries. If I don't mistake, here now participated young scientists and young peoples from 118 countries in the world. But right now in this festival participated about 25,000 people, and I'm in the science. It's about 10, 20, 12 years, and I was participated in many events, festivals, symposiums, and this festival is very amazing, because in another festivals and events participated about 115 or 200, it's maximum 500 participated.
How many Tajik people participate?
Yes. Now, right now from Tajikistan, in our team, about 300 participated in different area. It's horticulture, science, and young politicals, and another. But this festival unite us. This festival will be very efficiency for future, because if we unite young peoples, it will be good, because we can discussion about different things in science and or in another part of exchange culture. It will be very efficient. Why? Because right now is a very important point is our unity, because our home is Earth. How to say, without some national religion, our language, we want unity, because for safety our Earth, because I think this festival is very amazing right now, and it will be, I wish it will be continue, and I think if another big countries organize this type festivals for young peoples, or for specialists for different countries, it will be good, because if we have friendship, our future will be very good.
Thank you.